boy. Should have worn nice, you. Hello, you. Hello. This man.
Like a fish. Like a fish.
Look at that fish.
Lift him up a bit.
Yeah?
Lift him up a bit.
Yes, Daddy. I'll put me on there. Yes, Daddy.
Like a fish. Feed, feed, feed. You're feeding them.
Give it to Grandad a bit then.
Am I feeding them?
What are you wrong? I'm big that for no bone, are they? Hmm? Hello? Hey? Hello? Hello?
That one's Alex, by the way.
Lift him up, Dad.
Alex?
Lift him up.
Lift him up. This is Alex.
Alex? Hello, Alex. Oh, he's sucking it, sucking your thumb. Oh, his thumb sucker. Alex? Hello? Hello?
You finished? Ouch.
Have you weighed them? Haven't they, have you?
No, they're weighed them yet. They'll probably weigh them tomorrow. Feel heavier.
Sucking at his tummy.
I know.
Aye? There's the other one that suck. There's Luciana suck a thumb.
Yeah.
Aye?
Sit down. Sit down. Watch that back knee. Yeah, Daddy.
Thumb
Is the
sucker.
other one now was clean?
Oh no, not two. Oh, twins. Oh no.
It's a bog off, look. It's buy one, get
Buy
one
one,
free.
get one free.
Hello. Who's that?
Buy one, get one free.
Who's that?
This is Daddy's girl. This
Well,
is.
I'm different, are they?
They're totally different.
I don't know, they. Look at the hair, for them to there.
Who's this?
This is Daddy's girl. This is going to be Daddy's.
Oh, let's have a look.
At least.
Oops, the foot.
The girl.
This is Luciana. Luciana.
Luciana.
Hello.
Happy New Year's for Dad.
Ooh. Ooh.
Who's over them now, are you?
It's a lovely day today. It's the sun's out today.
Oh.
The sun's out.
There's the other one.
The sun's out. You can tell her's bigger though, can you? You can tell by the face. Oh yeah, the face is more filled out, more look.
He's like Gavin when he was born here.
You cheeky boy. Cheeky. Cheeky boy. Cheeky.
He's looking at him now.
Cheeky boy. You're a cheeky boy. Cheeky. Cheeky. Watch it because of her eyes.
His eyes gone.
His eyes. You gotta watch it with her eyes out, with her.
This one's got a curly hair, yeah. Hey?
It looks like he wants feeding. Has he been fed? Huh?
That's it. You've got that thing.
Do you want feeding? Ain't they feeding you? Ain't they feeding you? Hey?
Curly hair, look, you got your hair like your dad's. Look, Daddy. Look.
There's a difference, you can tell.
Whether he's a boy and a girl.
No, but I mean, look at the hair, look at the plenty of hair.
This one's got curly hair, look.
Yeah, cheeky boy. Cheeky
Look,
boy.
Daddy.
He's a cheeky boy.
Got your gel. Look at that.
Yeah. Soon have the gel on that.
Yeah, look, Dad.
On the brush.
Get the gel on.
The gel on the brush.
Get the gel on the hair. The straighteners.
Alex is hungry. You hungry? Aye. Keep sucking your thumb. Oh, we'll have to get some milk. We'll have to get some milk. Hey, come on. You cheeky boy. Cheeky, 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 cheeky. Cheeky boy. Cheeky boy. He's hungry, look. He's hungry. Keep sucking his thumb. When was the last time he was fed?
A couple of hours ago.
How often are they feeding?
Luciana,
Look at Daddy.
open your eyes.
Open your eyes for Daddy. Luciana. She's nervous. I don't like that light in my eyes.
He's starving. You want something to eat?
Do you know, I'm content enough. I'm as good as gold.
He's starving, isn't he? Keep sucking his thumb.
Because they're hungry.
Oh, no wonder.
But obviously I've heated the bottles so they're really warm, so they can hold off a minute. Because once they've had the bottles, you are allowed to hold them.
Oh.
So Alice is together like that.
You've been sucking his thumb, haven't you?
Yeah, he's overdue more, that's why.
So Nick, look at this thing. Get the
You're
gel out
telling
and
them
the
now,
hair
Casey.
straighteners.
No, she's coming to take this thing out my hand first.
Oh.
So, just because you can hear your brother, don't you start.
No, she's hungry as well.
Were you little fish? Look a fish here.
Where's Daddy?
You've been playing with pushchairs, Colin, today.
Aye.
You've been playing with pushchairs today.
Where's Daddy?